The day I gave birth to my son, I still posted content online. And even after giving birth to my son, I was still showing up consistently. Then after about a week or two, a friend of mine, either I think she called me or she sent me a message and she was like, babe, you're strong. Oh. Like you just gave birth and you're still consistent online. How are you doing it? I just laughed and I told her my secrets. And what I did was that a week to a few days before I gave birth, because I gave birth through CS, I batch created content. I took my time, I recorded all that I needed, and then scheduled all of them to go out on different days. And this is one way that you can stay consistent as a mom. But creating content is something we already do as moms, which is meal prepping, where we take time to prep the different ingredients that we need to cook and either store them in the fridge or keep them aside so that when it's time for us to prepare that meal, we just bring everything and put them together. It just makes it easy for us. It's the same thing with batch creating content. It helps you show up consistently. And here's how you can do it in a few steps. So step one is when you're going through social media, instead of just scrolling through randomly, you can take that time to also search for ideas, search for trending songs that you can add to your content, search for hooks that you can use. So once you get all of those things, the ideas and all of that, just store it somewhere you can access it easily. Step two is to take your time and arrange the content, okay, this is what I'm going to record, this is what I would say. Write the script for each of the videos that you want to create and make sure that everything is organized. You don't have to do all of these the same day. Just take different times and different days to arrange all of this. So once you have all the content that you want to create ready, then you can set aside a day to record them. For me personally, to batch create content depends on whether my children are in school or not. So if my children are in school, I will batch create the content when they are in school so that I can just have the house quiet, and I'll make sure that I finish before they come back home. So when they're at home or maybe during holiday, I'll batch create my content at night when they have gone to bed. So it just makes it easy for me. So once you've chosen the day and the time you want to record your videos, just make sure everything is ready. If you're going to change your outfits, get the outfits ready, get your hair ready, everything that you need, get it ready so that when it's time to record, remember you have your script, you have your content, everything is ready. So you just create your content, create as much as you want to create or as much as you have decided to create at that time. For me, sometimes I do 2, 3, 4, just totally depends on the number of videos I have to create that day. So once you've done that, you take another day or different times to edit your videos. If you're still a breastfeeding mom, maybe during one of those times that you're breastfeeding, you can be editing your videos. During the time that you're supposed to be scrolling through social media, just use that time to go through to edit your videos. Take time to edit each of your videos. And once you've done this, just choose different days to post the content. If you have a content calendar, this will work perfectly well. You can just organize the different contents on the different days that you want them to go out. You can even add the captions, hashtags, everything there. And when it's time for you to when the day comes for you to post it, you just get everything that you need ready and post it, or you can even schedule it before time. So this just makes it easy for you to show up consistently, because motherhood is not easy. If you want to do everything at the same time, it's going to be overwhelming for you. So it's better to break it down into different steps to make it easy for you. I hope you found this video valuable. Let me know in the comment section if batch creating content is something you already do or if it's something you're going to start doing, because it really, really does help with consistency. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.